Hello, in this video I will show you how you can record your screen on Google Pixel 10. First of all, you have to swipe down your quick settings menu, do it again, and here you should be able to find this screen recorder icon. And if you have no this icon over here, you have to add it from additional quick settings by clicking on this pencil icon over here, and now go to display section, and here is the screen record. Add this option by clicking this plus, and now you are able to find it in your quick settings. So now to record screen you have to simply tap on it, and now you can select over here record one app, or you can also record entire screen by simply enabling record this screen. Also you can record audio. You can find record audio settings. You can record device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone both. You can enable it by using this switcher, and also you can show touches on screen. Now let's record screen, and now as you can see here is the countdown. From now my screen is recording, so if you want to stop this recording you have to swipe down your quick settings menu, and here in the screen recording you have to click stop. Now to find your recordings you have to open Photos app, go to collections, go to on this device and open movies, and here is your screen records. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.